Did you know that if you properly maintain and protect your roof, you can extend, sometimes double and triple the life expectancy, saving thousands of dollars over the years if you just maintain the roof? It's kind of like your car. If you're going to buy a car, you've got to change the oil or you ruin the engine. We offer maintenance at Elevate Roofing and Exteriors called Elite Protection. With our new roof installs, you have the ability to upgrade to a protection program that will have us come out 3 times a year, service the roof, clean out your gutters, provide you lifetime tarp for any kind of major storm or event, and an inspection after any major storm event free of charge. Give us a call today because you deserve more than just a roof. Let's save you money. It's a small fee to save thousands in the long run. Call us today, 1-800-977-6638. This is Jonathan with Elevate Roofing and Exteriors, your roofing expert.